So here let's say ki the first part says that ki it is ethics is not about the way things are. What does it mean? The way things are this, and then it is the way things should be, I guess. It is the way things should be. The way things should be. So now we have to see that the way things are. So what does it mean when we say the way things are? It is descriptive basically. Let's first have knowledge what descriptive, and it is prescriptive plus normative. Now you will be able to answer this question when you know that ethics. Ethics has several fields. One is called normative, one is descriptive, meta, applied. Yes. Now question is dealing with this aspect, which is inherent in the question, and unless you have the understanding of this aspect, you will not be able to answer the question. Technically, you will all be able to answer in generic way. So what it says, descriptive basically means ki, what is of human conduct. What is of human conduct? So what is your human conduct as of now? So it is prevailing as of now how human behaves as of now. This how humans should behave. That how human, that is called ought to be. How humans should behave and how human behaves. This now let's say that this, so ethics is about this. It is this which has given field of normative. It has given field of normative ethics, and this has given the several fields, at least three, let's say virtue ethics, right, deontology, teleology. This. So we have to apply this knowledge in this question answer. So what you have to write basically, this is how ethical knowledge is important even if it is test 1. So 6A. Start simply. So that ethics deals with field of, it is the field of normative theories of ethics, which deals with ethics, character and conduct, or it is the field of normative theories of ethics which establish you can consider standards of ethics or principles of ethics, or you can let's say that ethics is a field, ethics belongs to the field of philosophy in which it is associated with normative theories of ethics. Such theories deal with what ought to be of human conduct. Means what is right conduct, what is wrong conduct, these things are determined on the basis of normative standards set by normative theories like virtue ethics, deontology and teleology. That way you have to write. And they have gone into, let's say that thinking that what should be human conduct on the basis of rationality, critical thinking, etc. Hence, that's why ethics is more about what should be rather than what is, or let's see, the question says that what the way things are. This all the ideals of the conduct, honesty, integrity, accountability, forgiveness, compassion, or self-interest, selflessness, and let's say that character and conduct, they are all based on what ought to be. Like say Aristotle says that what should be the aim of life. Happiness should be the aim of life. How to achieve that happiness? It is virtue, principles that you can say. Similarly, let's say that this Kant, how you should act, selflessly you should act. Therefore, normative theories or ethics deals with, we can say that this what should be rather than what is, or you can say that what the way things should be. Means how what the way means the way things are. It does not deal with the way things are, rather it deals with what the things should be. This way we can say that. Now let's say, can we say ethics just only deals with normative theories? Not necessarily. This is how I have written. Ethics has the 4 different branches, and ideal, let's say, conducts are set by normative ethics, but descriptive ethics, meta ethics, applied ethics, basically descriptive ethics helps in understanding human conduct. Means descriptive ethics become basis, foundation to understand that how human behave nowadays, how humans behaves. Let's say someone wants to know that how people behave in India, and then one will try to see whether people are moral or immoral. So first we will try to know that the way things are, how the things are, rather than how the things should be. Unless we know the how things are, we cannot compare with how the things should be. Hence, descriptive ethics helps in understanding the prevailing human conduct, prevailing human behavior, and which can become basis for analyzing and linking with ideal conduct, how better human behaves or how human can improve. However, primarily ethics is a field of normative science, which is concerned with what should be of behavior. That is how you have to write in this answer.